That's going to be the largest diameter on the part. And now I just need to set up my dead stop for 3/4 of an inch. And that's just a scale dimension. 750. I think that's good enough. It's around 750. I like to leave a witness mark. So when I'm when I'm roughing, I usually rough by hand. I am ready for when it's going to hit that stop. Because I like to look at the work, not where my stop is. I don't like looking at a DRO. I just like to know I'm roughing. When it hits that stop, I'll know it. Okay. You have to remember, this is the Harbor Freight mini lathe. You can do a lot of things with it, but you have to adapt to the lathe. So, I think this video is coming to an end. I'm going to call it a wrap. So, until next time, enjoy.